Welcome. In this tutorial, let's learn how to check and submit the weekly test in the Extramarks the Learning app. On the login page, tap on Extramarks icon located on the left. Now, tap on My Assignments. You can check weekly test of any subject by tapping on the subject. To attempt the weekly test, tap on Start Now. Once you are done checking the instructions, tap on Start Test to begin. To submit the weekly test, tap on End Test. Tap on Yes to confirm. And that's it. You have successfully attempted the weekly test. You can always find your attempted tests by tapping on the Evaluated section. Tap on View Analysis to check your detailed test report. It's time for you to go ahead and explore the app. Happy learning!